Bautista Cup. Two more entries are still outside. Hugadera and 6A Mapungay. Hugadera inside. Mapungay still outside. Last call to place bets. Race number 11, Robert A. Bautista Cup. Walking forward now, 6A Mapungay. Mapungay inside. They're all inside, ready to race. Robert A. Bautista Cup. And the race is on. Doña Gelay down on the inside, rushing up to grab the lead is Lovely Tara. It's now Lovely Tara running by the rally Stop Quest, and on the outside Dancing Queen Real Precious running in pit by the rally Doña Gelay. Then comes Mapungay, Hugadera pass back, and Real Precious. While Noble Principal is the early trailer working towards the back. Lovely Tara by some 3, followed by Top Quest running down on the inside. Doña Gelay running in between runners. Dancing Queen racing in pit, moving up Mapungay on the outside. Real Precious, Hugadera one dashing down on the inside. Pass back and Noble Principality running the half mile post. Lovely Tara on his favorite position as the pace setter, leads by some 4, followed by Dancing Queen, and it's Lovely Tara by some 4 lengths. Mapungay is now running in second, and running in third Stop Quest, Doña Gelay. Dancing Queen racing in fifth, Hugadera, Real Press, and Noble Principality. As the race the final corner, Lovely Tara by some 3 lengths. Mapungay in second, down on the inside is Hugadera, and nearing the last 200 Lovely Tara, and on the outside is Mapungay, and nearing the finish line Lovely Tara coming home from A to C, and finally Lovely Tara. Top Quest took second, Mapungay took third.
And 5-6, sino yung kwarto?